Akatechi Afrifa say he cares for the youth. My God, he cares for the youth. The budget is there. The only thing in the budget is not the e-levy. There are other parts a akolebi a ochire nimu no betumi take advantage. Enti me kwesi me ba me political zone page so a dia me ye ne say me kire budget nimu dia me mpɛ no meka dia me pɛ no meka na dia minim so obi kwa a obenya moa no me kire nimu na daachi bi anase o kine bi opportunity bi ba wono so de ne ho ahye ho okatechi Afrifa. What are you doing with your page? You couldn't even manage a simple being a radio host on the show. You couldn't curtail yourself. You couldn't even humble what just went to me and say. And like I say, birds of the same feathers always confuse their motherfucking owners. Birds of the same feathers, they don't fly together. They confuse their owners. And it's a fact. Captain Smart from Kumasi radio station went to me and handle no. Look at the track record these people have, Ghana youth. You are telling me, say, yan to ND single, yan to MPP single, yan to CPP, you be angry and offer alternative bayan or Katechi Afrifa. Captain Smart, who couldn't even humble himself to be a common radio host on a simple radio show. Are you guys kidding me? In any case, why no bet me and me say I went to a Captain Smart factory be a web beer or employing for a best 600 crowd. But look at the lavish life he's leading. And you know why he's living that life? He's living that life because me and you has made it so. We have failed to cross-check the bullshit they spew to us when they come on their platforms. We let sentiment set in and we take our political stance, and the main issue is lost. Yet the Saglime Joe be $179 million a year. The thing is not completed. Yet the NDC and MPP beton chain. Now you should be a second 1 year trace. Everybody are taking an entrenched position. MPP for Omediska, NDC for Enadiano, Enadiano Cranentisa, NDC for Chantro, MPP for Chantro. Now, who journalists now obey your research? The Apano, who so sensationalization. Cloth, you know, now also old still radio swa, obiting a kura, okan yenu ne tona soon. Now, all they dada no say, a ye kufuadu a bimbo no way just a glimato. What are you guys doing? Ya probi mane be di memo. They say they say yempe mahama, yempe kufuadu you. Why Captain Smart no Katechi Afrifa. Hey, Avram Ben Moshe. What on kaka chufan wo kemu? What on be 1 year gbengben? What can be 1 year gbengben? Avram ejimi 1 year gbengben. No adanda no ho. O si afedio o kan sempa wo kemu. Eni ngame. Edi eni ebedi. Me na me ka me kyerɛw. No de age usika wo baasi mu edi awie. Avram ya. Eno na me no o si wo beti asɔre. Krono a wo pɛ na one ne elders ekuska hu nti no wo si asɔre nye bio. Ya wo hɔ a afedio o se ye ben wiase nina wo pa akwala nyansa wo ni tirimu pa ye frɛ no Avram Jimmy Moshe adentia ne sɛ ɔsi ɔno ne de sɛbe ɔngye nyame ndi Bible ni hɔ Quran ni hɔ Allah ni hɔ yo yate Avram sɛ wo se Allah ne Quran na yi ni hɔ a Avram ha ne bɔ yɛn ne de ɔsi bibi ne bɔ yɛn yo yate bibi ne bɔ yɛn ne sɛ wo maame ne wo papa akɔda ne ye de awo yo yate Avram eno so ye de bɛma wo afei onipa na wo no sɛ nyame ni ho na Christopher mo na mo emobo ebre ni bedu a sei ni na baba wa kan the Bible mu ade Bible with these days yan kan Sunday ni afane aprapra ho na hye moto am ni de ko Avram who switched from Christianity because the oppressor wonya no wanya wo ho no and na wadane ne ho ka kire wo say wonya nkopon a wo be brochire wo bompa yese menyankopon ye ye brochire a mekoi ma menye yie onyankopon tonsuo gu madwuma so onyankopon ma memba nye yie onyankopon ma Allah bless my seed Allah bless my work Allah bless my hands ekoso eye adwuma no wagina ho ma small boy bia JSS po went to me anya grade 12 JSS ye the Avram resource brewa onya agege 79 eno no kura no obi boa no ono mo abeka kire university graduate say nyame ni ho afa ye start say ye mia ne kon no hu say ne ho da ho no afa de o say o nyame wo ho na bible ne na ye nipa ne kiro ye Quran ne nipa ne kiro ye nteno de onjindi e ho ha na na esanka Ghana fo mu say boy ne na dwene nya dwuma ye chikoko aye di ne ma sebe Quran eka Allah ho asem me pacho meboa Quran speaks about Allah. Sorry, Quran, it speaks about Allah. Okay? You believe there is Allah, but you don't believe the Quran. And the Quran shows you how Allah wants you and him to live, and your neighbors to live, and the world to live in harmony. That is what the Quran teaches you. It's about the words of Allah. You believe Allah, but you don't believe the Quran. Nagane ni be matiho. Hey, bueno ya diu ochiremu. Hey, Avram, ochirem, hey, Avram. What are you people doing to Ghana? Are you people kidding me? Hey, they say Avram now we say nyame ni ho. Afedi o say nyame wo ho because they say no say nkrofo bebiri Ghana ba. Ekowie no a afedi o say o enye nyame no ngini ndi o na mbom Bible no ngini ndi. Ma me papa Bible so sabe enye kalomo sem na wom enye chinchinga sem na wom eye nyame sem na wom. Na oji nyame di but onji ne nsem ndi a ma me papa nyansa wom. Oji nyame di ne nsem ne de minji ndi. Are you normal? And you want us to entrust Ghana into the hands of somebody who couldn't even interpret Agenda 111? When COVID hit Ghana and we got exposed, a president comes to put his projection down, say, see 88 district hospitals. We go to the drawing board, we try to fit in the plans, the loan agreement. What can we do in order for some project now you see a bayano to come to light? To come to light. Then, when the president, after reassessing the case, and then we say, hey, there be Adiano, it is more than what we even thought. Enti the bibeka home and now 111. Avram in your camera, na on chiremua, the all can say, I was on the culture government, now we shall raise the youth, the ghetto youth to go and fight the president and fight the White House. We have the power. Because some demonstration at TTM. This guy was talking about Agenda 111 as if it was different from the 88. When it was actually the 88 that has been upgraded to Agenda 111. Now, since when did hospitals become a crime in Ghana? Ebiniho. Abaimbi abase, many that's one is and I say many swadi who say, may Agenda 111 and I say Mercy Hospital 111, a nationalistic agenda. How do you kick against something like that? Because Yamo Sika Kakra. Say abai no tesoro nyuma na oye no say yampe kwan bi anteten gu park ne so a ye wo hwa na yate no position till da ye mentisika we ye hu ni na ye de bema ho na ende me be ka asem bi na ma kire mu de enti ame I decided not to support fix the count.